I'm going to show you how you can watch NBA games on Apple TV Plus. Now, first off, all you have to do is that you have to go to the search category here. Now, on the search category here, an NBA Game Plus, you'll have to buy a pass, right? Now, it's similar to this one here, right? Now, this is a football pass here, right? You can get a season pass for all of the football games at every club, every match here, right? So you can see this is what it will look like. Now, all you have to do is that you have to go to the shows and movie here. I'm just going to search up NBA. Now, you can see on my version here, NBA isn't available because I think it's region locked or geo locked here, right? But if it's available on your region, it look like this here, right? You can see NBA, live games, and scores. Now, you will have to buy that additional pass on top of your Apple TV Plus subscription. Now, once you have bought it, you can now start watching NBA games on your Apple TV Plus. Now, it is a bit pricey since it is an Apple TV Plus subscription. And then on top of that, you will still have to buy a season plus. But as far as I know, once you buy this pass, you will get live games and you can get replays of all of the games as well. So as far as I know, it's a pretty good deal. But of course, it's up to you to decide. Again, if you don't see it, it might be geo-locked like I am here. Mine doesn't have it. But again, it is what it is. That is it. You have to pay a pass and then you can start watching it freely.